Welcome back for part 2 for Courtney's accessories, wardrobe, entire unboxing. So if you haven't seen part 1, stop here, go watch part 1 where I've unboxed Courtney and many of her accessories, but the video was too long, so I have a part 2. And I'm going to do unbox all the clothes and the rest of the accessories, including the bed. And we're going to start with like the sleeping bag and the nightgown. As always, there's a little booklet. I'm going to unbox all of this to just show it all together. Okay, so first up we have the Care Bear sleeping bag, the pillow, and Goodnight Bear. Pretty sure that's his name. He was actually one of the first 2 Care Bears I ever owned. I had like the Care-a-Lot with all the Care Bears. But you get the sleeping bag, the pillow, and Goodnight Bear. Here's the pillow. And then here is sleeping bag. I actually had a My Little Pony sleeping bag. I didn't have the Care Bear one. And right now she's still wearing her accessories, but I'm just going to slip her in here just to see, you know, how she fits in there. Okay, so I took her Walkman off because she couldn't close her eyes. But there we go. She fits in there, and once she's actually in her nightgown, she'll fit better. Okay, so there she is with her bear. Her little nightgown outfit comes with the scrunchie, fuzzy socks, and this cute little nightgown. Very sweet. All coordinates together. Next up, we're going to open the school supplies. Okay, so this is how they come. I'm going to open the packages and take everything out. Alright, we'll be right back. Okay, so here's all of her school supplies. First up, we have a unicorn binder, which is totally modeled after Lisa Frank. And there's little lined paper in here. To open it, you just move these 2 pieces close together, and then you can just press them closed. They're made of plastic. Unlike the metal ones that we had when I was a kid that would pinch your fingers and cause tremendous amounts of pain. We have 2 folders. You can put these in the binders as well. We have a dolphin and the word dream. You open them up, little pockets. And then we have a pencil case. This just snaps open, and then there's a spot for the pencils. That's what the pencils look like. And you can put them right down in here, like this. Those fit down there. Also, we have little animal erasers. You can add these to the tops of your pencils. Like that. And when you're not using it, just go right down in there. And then put these like right there. And snapshot. We also have some puffy stickers, which were very popular in the 80s. And those are her school supplies. Next up is her very own Molly doll. First to open it, there is a magazine from 1986. This is the first one. We're going to open that in a minute. Alright, so we're going to open Molly. Oh good, it has a Velcro so you don't have to untie it. there is Molly. So here is Molly, and I'm going to add her glasses. There she is. So she does have a vinyl torso. It is not the cloth. It's not an exact replica. Basically, these are like the mini Pleasant Company dolls they've had out, I think, in different variations for several years. So I'm gonna put her. We have the Meet Molly book, which is the actual book. Like, it's, you can read the real book. Then we have from the catalog from 1986. Back then, there were only 3 dolls. Kirsten, Samantha, and Molly. There she is. There's Samantha. I have her with her accessories. She had a school outfit, the Christmas outfit. The trunk was the ultimate must-have. I never got it, but that was the one thing I always wanted. Here's Molly and her accessories. She has a school outfit, the Christmas outfit, bedtime outfit, and then you can buy the box sets, which I had. Or you can get the complete collection. That's cute. I don't think, it was a few years. It was like the late 80s when I got my first American Girl doll. So I didn't have this magazine. But this is cute. Oh, let me show you to scale what she looks like. Okay, so here's Courtney, and here's her doll in scale. So, yeah, pretty realistic size, at least. I love that she has her own American Girl doll. I'm a little surprised that they didn't include a Samantha, just because I think at the time Samantha was the most popular one, and it's kind of maintained that. But again, I came in like late 80s to American Girl, so could be wrong. But there we go. So there's her doll. Then we have her watch, and they call it a belt bag. It's a fanny pack. First up, we have a little watch. It's a little silicone band with hot pink hands on the watch. And this is her little fanny pack. So she can put her lip gloss in here, some accessories, maybe a scrunchie. And then it adjusts and clips right around her waist. Next we have her hair accessories and her earrings. This is the fashion accessory box. So if you're gonna get these, you need to pay the extra to have your doll's ears pierced. First up, we have a pair of fingerless gloves. Basically, it's just like a little lace sleeve. We have a headband, and then we have a neon green scrunchie. The earring, so the earrings are dangly. We have a green pair, and we have a hot pink pair. And of course, you can like mix and match these. You could put the green little dangly triangles on the pink pair, and vice versa. And these I will keep in her little caboodle because they're very small and easily lost. Alright, now we are up to the clothes. Well, we have one more accessory. Let's open the accessory first. Here are her little sunglasses. And there is a little pouch to put them in. It says American Girl, so they don't get scratched. Let's look at the jean jacket. This is adorable. So there's little silver buttons, the pockets, there's little pockets here. We have the cuffs. So cute. The back of this also has all of the different outfits and things. Then we have the jeans. Similar to Jordache, has the fold down button up fly. Of course they're rolled up, tight rolled jeans. So cute. I feel like I had this sweater. If you're my age, you probably had this sweater too. And you wore it with leggings, which I need to find. Here we go. Okay. There's a little like band to keep them from rolling away. First up are the lace leggings. Those are kind of more tights that you need to wear underneath the skirt. And then here are the actual leggings that you would wear with your oversized sweater. I love that. We have a shirt, kind of a men's style shirt with a tie. This one is more Saved by the Bell to me. I didn't personally have anything like this, I don't think, but who knows? I don't remember. Then we have the dress. It's an interesting feel. It's like a really slick material, almost like a swimsuit, like swim trunks. That's what this. But it's very cute. You could wear the little tights with this. That would be cute. Then we have a little cassette tape tee over top of a green tee. This is like the green one is sleeveless. Like that. Maybe more of like a sports bra, I guess. Tank top. Okay, so here's the skirt. So you can wear the skirt by itself, or you can add the suspenders. Alright, now these clips are plastic. So they are I mean, these will easily break. Wish they were metal, like real clips. Well, they are pretty easy to put on, but you do have to be careful, especially if you're giving this to your daughter. If you're not just a personal collector, make sure they know just to slip them on. Don't try to pry them apart because they would break easily. Alright, and this is the little crop jacket. So cute. Long sleeve. You could pair this with like a cute top and the skirt. You could wear it over the dress. So many cute options. So those are all my accessories I've unboxed. Now I'm going to unbox the bed. Okay, so here's just a quick look at the box. I mean, it's gigantic. And it looks like it's basically put together. I'm going to pull this out, take out the plastic, and let you see what it looks like. So I just want to show you how everything came out of the box. This was wrapped in plastic, and then the bedding and stuff is in a plastic bag. Okay, so we're going to put the mattress down for each level. There's the top. Then we have a comforter. And then each bed has a pillow that makes a rainbow. Then we have a little Pac-Man plush. I'll put that right here so that you can see it. And then let's unbag the accessories. Okay, it just occurred to me why it's backwards, and it's because it's upside down. We're gonna fix that. Here we go. Now, if you've been yelling at me for the last 5 minutes, hey crazy lady, you don't know how to put the bed together, then you're right. I don't. But we figured it out. Helps if you look at the guide. Okay, so let's see what we have. So we have the little potted plant. We have Sarah Plain and Tall and Molly's Surprise books, along with these bookends that look like Tetris pieces, which is my favorite game. And those go right up here. Okay, so I don't know if you can see them, but they're there, and I'll show you here in a moment where I put them. We have clear telephone. Not sure if it rings. So you just had to pull out the tab. That's cute. We have 2 hangers. There we go. So you can see the books and potted plant. You can hang the little hangers right here. It's for like the pants and the skirt. We have a telephone and address book. She can fill it out for her friends. We'll put that up there as well. And she has a diary that she has written in that you can read. She has an older sister, so we're going to tuck it underneath her pillow so no one reads it. Then we have some stickers. So these go right there on the back. Well, the bed, Totally Radical. We have ice cream, Marine for Mayor, Dream, California, Player One, Concert Series, and this is how she fits up on her bed. Okay, so that's all the unboxing. So hopefully you enjoyed this. It's a little bit different than what I usually do. But hopefully you enjoyed it, and I am gonna go play with my toys because they're fun. So I'm gonna get my Samantha and Molly out. One of them will get to sleep on the bottom. I'll probably put Molly down below because technically she would be the older sister, and I already have Samantha's bed, so she has a place to sleep. So if you want to check out this collection, I will put a link down below. Everything is available. I did order the arcade game. That is just not shipping until October 2nd. So stay tuned for that. I can't wait to see it. But I think she's cute. I love her hair. Thanks for watching. And if you want to check out some subscription boxes, check out the rest of my channel. I got some free ones. I'll put a link down below if you want to check them out. Have a great day.